Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with decisive, diagnostic moves. First, check carrier outage maps or the provider app to rule out wide outages. This saves time. Once done, power cycle your phone and flip airplane mode on then off after 10 seconds to refresh radio registers. Next, remove and reset the SIM. Make sure contacts are clean. If possible, test your SIM in a second phone or try a different SIM in yours to isolate SIM versus device failure. Those steps quickly narrow root causes. Once you've isolated SIM versus device, dig into network configuration. You should verify the preferred network mode, set 5G or 4G as appropriate, or force 3G briefly to test legacy registration, and make sure automatic network selection is enabled. If problems persist, perform a network settings reset. This restores radio defaults without wiping personal files. Also, collect simple logs. Note signal bars, cell ID, and exact timestamps of registration attempts. These details help carriers or technicians reproduce and diagnose the issue more efficiently. To finalize, apply any carrier profile updates and install pending OS patches because software often fixes radio bugs. Make sure APN settings match carrier requirements. Incorrect APN prevents data registration even with voice. If problem persists, back up your device and perform a factory reset as a last resort, only after saving carrier logs and error codes. If that fails, escalate to carrier support with your collected logs. Request an MA and provisioning check, or visit a local repair shop for hardware-level radio diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.